All right, you guys, I'm looking to hop into this trade right here. If this candle stays below, we got 2 minutes on that one. This one looked like it's coming through. I already won a little short boy on gold. Oh, look at there, boy. 2 minutes on that. Let me show y'all this. Move my head out the way. All right, short boy on gold. I did the micros or the little boys. Little boys, this is the big boys, this little boys. Okay, I did the little boys today because the market has been so choppy, so I'm just trading cautiously today to make sure that, I don't mess nothing up on my account. I'm waiting for it to break this low. As you can see, it's constantly retesting it, but if we get a closed candle below this, I'm hopping in and going to ride it down to the sunset. The long-term trend, we got a minute and 10 seconds. I got y'all time to show y'all. So the long-term trend, as you guys can see, and let me do this for you. As you can see, the long-term trend is down, and it could target these lows right here. Okay, so that's that one. This one, same thing. As you can see, hopefully it'll come down. So I'm just looking for a closed candle. And there we go. All right, so let's give it on back and let's see what we got popping on. Okay, hold on. Let me show my indicators back on the chart. Pull you over. Now let's stretch this boy. Okay, now we good. We looking good, y'all. Oh, I'm in this. I'm in it. Trying to play around with y'all. Hold on. I'm missing money. Hold on. Yep. Let's go. Okay, this one a little bit early because this candle closed up, but okay, so if I get whacked on the face, that's on me because I'm in too early on that one. I didn't have my confirmation candle, but this one I did have a confirmation candle. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stop half point. Okay, and here's what we have to learn. When you're in a sell, you're going to put in a stop, a buy stop, okay? And to take your TP, let's move my head over here. I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put in a buy limit order. Okay, so now let's go back to NQ. This is the big money. Big money! Look at there, baby. All right, I'm going to put in a what? I'm in a sell, so I'm going to put a buy stop, and I'm going to put a half point. See them little dotted lines right there? I'm going to put a half point right there. Okay. And I'm going to put my TP in, which is going to be a what? Boys and girls, tell me what it is. Come on, talk to me. Hold on. I got to shrink my head. It's interfering. All right, there we go. I'm going to put in a buy limit, opposite direction. So buy, stop, buy, limit on a sale. Okay. All right. So we're going to leave that right there playing out. And I'm going to also switch over to Hakanashi candles now. Why? Because if you freak out, look at this. Oh, I'm in drawdown. Oh, he's losing. Right? But when you switch over to Hakanashi candles, it kind of cleans it up and tells you, no, just sit still. You know, you're dealing with big boy money. So, of course, if it pulls back even a little bit, you're going to have a little bit of money in drawdown, but not a big deal, as long as it don't hit your stop loss, right? So we're just going to sit this out and wait it out, okay? And I'm waiting for this one to cross as well. And let me give you guys an example of what I mean. Let's go to gold, and I'm going to switch to the regular candles, okay? And let's take a look at what happened. Well, this one on gold, they stay red. That's what I wish. Stay red, baby. Red. But it didn't. But normally, like I said, sometimes you see all these different color candles, they up and down, and make you seasick. So when you switch over to the Hakanashis after you enter the trade, now why do I switch after I enter the trade? That's because the Hakanashis, you can have a wick, but it may be delayed because they use a certain calculation to calculate the Hakanashi candles. Okay, so it's not instantaneous where you see exactly where the wicks are and everything else. So that's the reason why I use the regular candles for entries. And then after that, I will switch over to the Hakanashi candles to smooth everything out so I don't panic. And I got my EMAs. So as long as price action is staying below the EMAs, I'm okay with that. Okay. As you can see right here, EMAs are still pointing down. Price action is wicking. Okay. It's wicking. But here's my stop way up here. Here's my take profit. And this is the 2-minute time frame. Sometimes I like to do the 3-minute. But either way it goes, or the 5-minute, any of the short time frames. But either way it goes, it keeps me from freaking out. So now look, see, boom, what I tell you. What I tell you. See that? See, this is why. Keeps you from freaking out. See? Uncle P! I'm losing, Uncle P! Calm down. All right, so I'm going to put my stop on the dotted lines right there. Those little tiny dotted lines. And there we go. See, I'm already in profit. I'm in profit. All right, so let's take a look at you. Look at. You see why I switched to the Hakanashi? Oh, Ganashi. I should do a commercial for him. Oh, Ganashi. Hold on, let me put my face bigger so y'all can see it. Oh, Ganashi. Yeah, they should pay me for that. They should pay me for that. All right, let's see. If everybody else is below, what you waiting on? Come on, bring your hind parts on down here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You see? Told y'all, long term, I'm looking at sale. Okay? Looking at a sale. I only need you to go play the game of inches. I just need you to get your hind parts down here just by a few inches. About what? About 2 inches. I just need you to climb on down about 2 inches. And then I will be thoroughly grateful for that if you can come down about 2 inches. Okay? Just 2 inches. That's all I need. Not much. Okay? Slide down the pole for 2 inches. See? 2 inches on a 2-minute time frame. Okay? 2 inches for 2 minutes. That's it. That's all I'm asking. I ain't asking for much. We got 16 seconds. Let me make this big. See if we get a candle close below. Okay? If we get a candle close below, if you close below, I'm going to sell you. And then I'm gone. I'm going to pause this video, come back later. All right, we got a candle close below, so I'm in this trade as well. And we got an alert on my phone. See the little tiny dots right there? Okay, so that's why I'm going to put my stop half point to half point. Okay, go here. I'm in a sale, so what do? Put in a what? Buy stop. Opposite direction. Okay, and here I'm going to put in a what? Buy limit. That's my stop loss, my take profit. Okay, so let's check back on this one. Okay, oh, there we go. See, I'm up 400. 400! $45. You cheap, bro. Cough up the bread, Fred. Come on, cough me up some money. Cough it on up. You know you want to give it up. You know you want to give it up. You know what? The market has been so choppy though. I think I'm gonna do a half point. Okay, I'm just gonna go half point on this. Give me a half point, half a boy, half point. Go halfway and see if you guys can do what you do. Okay. So again, what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna pause this video and I'll just come back later because I got things to do and I'm not gonna sit around watching this. Because again, that's partly what freaks people out is because you watching every little tick and move that it's doing. You got your stop loss in place, you got your take profit in place. Whatever happens after that, it's gonna be. So I'm gonna pause right here and I will come back later on and we'll check on this. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Like Pop the Balloon. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. By the way, Pop the Balloon, y'all should not have let Netflix get a hold of your show because they tore it up. All right, 845. 845. 700, 845. Y'all see what I mean? That's why I said don't keep watching it. Get away. Go walk away. Oh, this one hit my TP already. See, remember I told you I'm going half point? Bang. So that one is done. I think what I'll do is, that one hit. Dang, that was quick. You remember I was just looking at it. Bang, half points. All right, so this one you should still be running, and you just about 135. I'm going to take you at half point too. I'll take this 150, and that will be it for today, boys and girls. Boys and girls. I'll close that out, and let's see where I'm at for today. So I did about $2,000, almost $2,000 for today. All right, so not bad at all. I'll take that and call it a day. All right, you guys. So again, if you want to be part of our program, our live trading sessions, this was our first week. You were in class with Miss Jenny. Today you should have been in class with Miss Jenny, but again, we'll be back next week. and you'll be able to trade live with us. Hey, boys and girls. Hold on. Wait. Woohoo! Hold on 1 second. Woohoo! One more time. Woohoo! Also, let me show you guys this so you guys know about this as well. If you want to be part of the copycat service, which again, is cool. I did not have a good day on this one yet. Dr. Elvis and Miss Jenny, they do very well. I chose some that where the market has jumped back up, and the reason why is because NZD was attached to China, and China, they came out, something happened with the news and it spiked up. So, I had to, hey, this is transparency. This is transparency. I show my losses. Okay. I show my losses. So if it was hey, it happens, it happens. But overall, we still are very net positive on all the other trades. And I'm probably going to be done I am done for the week, anyway. So, I should have not traded this. You know what I mean? And just left it to Dr. Elvis and Miss Jenny because, again, I didn't have the magic hand this week. But they did, so they still won some trades. I got to change this because I have 2 right here. I got to change that to 2 losses. So I'm going to update this. Excuse me. I'm going to update this right now and put 2, okay? Because I'm going to share this out. So I'm 7. So let me put this over here and let me redo this right in front of you guys. So, he trying to scam somebody. He trying to scam somebody. All right, everybody clear now? You see it? So there you go. So I'm showing my losses. Okay, compared to how much was made, it wasn't that big of a deal anyway. We're still net positive for the week. But yes, there were 2 losses, and those are mine because, again, over here on the Forex side, there was news that came out, and it ended up spiking the NZD pairs. And when it's a news spike, there's really nothing you can do. The AUDs and NZDs, they will spike on China news. I'll repeat that. NZD and AUDs, because they're part of the Sydney and Asian session trading monopoly, they are kind of tied to that situation. So any Asian news will actually cause it to spike. And so it happens. It is what it is. But thank you, Dr. Elvis and Miss Jenny, because, hey, this is why you work with a team. You're not going to always win. So if you want to be part of the copycat service, you get to see the link. I think the link is above. And if you want to be part of the live trading session with us, which is why I like this a lot, leave that stuff for the professionals. See, this is why I got to the half point. Let's check this and see if it went all the way down to the full point. Nope, half point. See, that's why I just half pointed. Go half point. I did half points. Right now, the market is so choppy, I'm doing half points. And again, now this one almost hit TP, but it didn't. Okay, and it can still come on down and still have room to run, but I'm already done. Oh, that was pretty cool, huh? It still got room to run, but I'm already done. All right, so anyway, you guys, you've seen I made my bread. You've seen what I did, and this is just going to be a rinse and repeat. We're going to be doing this stuff, Hey, so when you can't make money on one side, you got money rolling on the other side. You know what I mean? There it is. I want to just be transparent so nobody will say, oh, he ain't showing his losses sometimes. No, I do lose. It's okay. I don't worry about it. So, I'm not happy about losses like anybody else, but they happen. So anyway, the links to Super Easy Copycat and the links to Futrix, which is our live futures trading class, you will see the links above or below or wherever they're going to be put. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. All right, you guys, very good day today in the futures market. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.